Good morning, my dear children. Let's continue with chapter 14, Transportation, Communication and Trade. In the previous section, we have discussed about railway system, road transport system, traffic problems, and waterways. Now, today, in this session, we will discuss about airways, pipeline transportation, and ropeway transportation. Okay. In this picture, you are able to see Air India. This is the official plane or flight company of India. Now, let us start with Airways, page number 117 of our textbook. It is the speediest and the costliest mode among all types of transportation. Airways are used to reach distant places, remote and dense forest, and to reach those places which are not accessible easily by road. Normally, we people use airways for speedy transportation. Another thing, this is very costly. We can reach distant places, faraway places, remote areas, dense forest with the help of this aeroplane. In India, the weather remains favorable for aviation almost throughout the year. In present day, airways are used more and more due to increased demand of faster delivery of food, goods and transportation of people. Nowadays, people they don't have time to wait. So, normally we used to travel or faster delivery of items, transportation of people, everything. People are depending on airways. In India, the service of airways was first started for airmail service, that is transferring of messages, post and telegraph, that is transportation of important documents, letters, small parcels between Allahabad and Naini. You know, Naini is the place near to Allahabad, or we call it as a satellite neighborhood of Allahabad. It is a very famous industrial area also, and it was run by a private company. Today, Air India and several other private companies provide air transportation service for transporting both men and goods. So now our official flight company is Air India of the Air of India, and we are having other private companies like Jet Airways, Indigo, AirAsia, many we are having. The management of all airports of India is done by Airport Authority of India, AAI. It manages 127 airports which include 15 international, 87 domestic and 25 civilian airport terminals. Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, New Delhi, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, etc. have both domestic and international airports. Pawan Hans Limited provides helicopter services to ONGC and to government. Now moving to the next heading, that is other means of transportation. You know, what are the other means of transportation? First, we will discuss about pipeline transportation. Pipelines are used to transport liquid materials such as water, mineral oil, natural gas and other liquids. Important pipelines of India. An oil pipeline runs between Naharkatia in Assam to Nunmati, Baruni, that is in Assam. One pipeline goes from Kalol to Koili in Gujarat and from Salaya to Mathura in Gujarat Natural gas is transported through pipeline to Kambat, Duwaran, Koili, Ahmedabad. Gujarat transport cooking gas through pipelines to cities of Surat, Bharuch, Vadodara, Ahmedabad, Jamnagar, Morbi, Rajkot, Gandhinagar and many other cities. See, in this video you could see two pictures of pipeline transportation. Indian Oil, how they are transporting their items, gas, especially mineral gas, liquid minerals, how they are transporting. Now moving to next heading, that is a ropeway. We all are familiar with the ropeways, as Gujarat is famous for ropeways. Ropeways are used in hilly regions to carry people and goods transportation and to transport tourists, natural resources, laborers, etc. The ropeways connect land to the summit of the mountain or to summit of two mountains. You know, in Pavagadh we are having from the bottom there is ropeway and it is going to the top of the Pavagadh mountain. So you are familiar with that. There are about 100 ropeways in India. Ropeways can be seen in Darjeeling, Kulu Manali, Cherrapunji, Haridwar, etc. in North India. And in the south we are having ropeways, and in as you know, in south there is a ropeway between Chennai and Malaya mountain. The ropeway services in Gujarat are available at Pavagadh, Saputara and Ampaji. And there is a ropeway that has started its work in Girnar region. Actually, Gujarat is having 3 places where ropeway system is set up and now in use, and right now ropeway cables we are planning, already the work has already started. The ropeway cables already started its work in Girnar region. The ropeway has been constructed on Mount Girnar in Junagadh district, and which is a major tourist attraction in Gujarat because of the presence of pilgrimage sites such as Amba temple, then one shrine is there, and many other Hindu temples are, as well as Jain temples are there. So government is trying its level best to start very fast the Girnar ropeways. This is the picture where you all are familiar, the cable ropeway of Pavagadh. Okay, with this we come to the end of today's section. Before that, we will discuss one question answer from this section, that is page number 119, section 3. Write answer to the following question in brief, and we are having only one question here. Question number 1, where are the ropeways located in Gujarat? Answer, the ropeway services in Gujarat is available at Pavagadh, Saputara and Ambaji. Now I want all of you to complete the notebook today with all the question answers which we have discussed till date. Okay.